This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a BOSCH dishwasher. This is more of the modern version that is not draining. So when we set it to drain, we activate it, and you can hear a little bit of a humming sound, but you don't hear the water moving. So this tells me that probably something is jamming the drain impeller, the little propeller thing that turns. So I'm going to remove the filter, and we can see there's still a lot of water in there. And I'm just reaching in to see if I can feel anything. Sometimes there's a little cover over the impeller, and it can come loose. If that comes loose, the dishwasher just won't drain because it can't create enough water pressure to get rid of the water. But in this case, it feels like the cover is in position. I'm going to remove this bottom panel. I just want to feel when the dishwasher is being asked to drain. I want to feel if the drain motor is vibrating, if it feels active. Here's the drain motor right here. And when I set it to drain and close it, I can feel that it's trying to vibrate. This is the little impeller cover that covers up the little propeller thing that spins on the drain. And I had it removed, and we're going to look in there to the sump, and we can see in the lower right hand corner, you can see the little white round thing. That's the impeller. That's got to be able to spin freely. If you reach in there with your finger and you spin it, it should be able to move pretty easily. It might feel a little weird, like it has a magnetic pull on it, but that's normal. This is the cover that sometimes pops off that covers the drain impeller. So you want to make sure it's securely in position. I found that there was actually the top of an aluminum can was stuck on the impeller, so I got it out. I'm going to put this little cover back in. I push it down, and then I want to push in on the top piece here till it clicks. You can see this. There's a little white tab right next to my index finger, and I just got done pushing it all the way into where it clicked, and that holds that cover in place. And then the dishwasher can generate enough water pressure to get rid of the water in the sump. So now it's all ready, and we're going to put the triple filter back in, make sure it locks all the way. I'm not sure how an aluminum can top got in there, but it was definitely jamming the impeller. That's why it was humming but not able to move the water. So now when we close it and start a cycle, it's draining really good. So that's one of the common causes for these dishwashers not to drain, is that little cover either comes off, or a little piece of glass or a seed finds its way in there and jams the impeller. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.